Hello. The analytical service is Online Guru.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the corporation. A little further, we will consider each parameter in more detail. If you're interested, you can pause it. We propose to consider all the parameters of the organization in question in more detail. Now let's analyze the company's current performance indicators. Strategy, ticker, MSTR. The review is based on current data as of July 10, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, company MicroStrategy belongs to the subcategory. Software analytics, 17 organizations participate in the comparison. We will look at the decisions on orders based on the results of this video. The overall result for the company in question is as follows: minus 4.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 3.7 points. If you look broadly, within the framework of the market in general, we can see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 4.5 points for strategy. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price MicroStrategy and subcategory companies, we can see that over 12 months the share strategy showed a dynamics of 224.1%. Against price changes in the subcategory, 279.7%. Market capitalization of the organization MicroStrategy amounts to $113.59 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $609 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $33.08 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $53 billion. Having compared the shares of stock exchange and balance sheet capitalization, we can see the following. Share MicroStrategy in the subcategory when assessing the market value is 18.658%. Book value capitalization is 62.936%. Assessment of the organization's share of the market and book value of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The financial liabilities of the company under analysis amount to $7.941 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 24% of equity. The company's financial liabilities rating, good, 1 point. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 0. Average in subcategory 0. Evaluation of the company's stock price to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $5,342 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 247.3. The average in the subcategory is 33.5. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $460 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Assessment of the expected future sales indicator in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is minus 1,163.2%, with an average in the subcategory of minus 17.6%. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 3.544%. This is 426% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is $74,000 and $38,000. While in the subcategory there are $14,000 and $64,000. Evaluation of the company's market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The profit volume per employee of the company is minus $3,482,100. The average in the subcategory is minus $73,800. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $299,000. In the subcategory, $420,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 9.4%, with an average for the subcategory of 3.9%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 61% for the company strategy. For the subcategory, this level is approximately 59%. The company's current share price is approximately $415. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $527. Let's go to the order table. It is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made this season by the evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the analysis strategy, information and reference system of assessment Guru.Markets, a decision has been made. Open the trade for sale at a price of $415.41 per share. The order is open due to the fact that the company has a fairly low valuation and price change. The organization's assessment is based on the assessment method, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 170.42. Stop loss is set at 660.4. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically based on the results of the trading session on August 9, 2025. Or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker DT will be the main purchase transaction. The video on the main order has already been published on the channel. In case of closing of one of the orders, the main or balancing, the second order is closed at the actual price. Thank you very much for watching this video and for using the information system from Guru.Markets.